Hello friends, and thank you for joining me on my witchy journey. Today I am brewing up something special. I am making wax melts for my girlfriends and to get us all ready for Yule season. I have some beeswax pebbles sitting in my double burner contraption here, aka modern day cauldron. It's basically just a measuring cup sitting in simmering water, and you can see I have beeswax melting there. I have about a half a cup of beeswax pearls in there. They smell amazing and they feel really good, and it's nice and super natural, so I love doing that. Once they have all dissolved there in my double burner, I will add 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. That's 90 milliliter if you have a measuring cup that has those on there. And then I'm going to add essential oils. I have chosen to go with holiday season. It is a nice seasonal blend here from my favorite company, Plant Therapy. Not that I want to promote them, but you can see the label, so obviously. This synergy has sweet orange, let's see what else, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg in there. Hard to read, I'm sorry, this is not focusing. But you can look it up on their website if you're interested in it, or you can mix up your own synergy or use any other essential oils. Like I also have sweet orange here that I think I'm going to add to this mix as well, just to give it a little bit more of an orangey twist. And then finally I have a little pan here, a silicone pan with these adorable bees and honeycomb shapes, and I just love using that for any kind of DIY, and I think it's going to be perfect for these wax melts just because we're using beeswax. Alright, so let's see where we are here. I have a little bit to go, so I'm just going to wait and see. Okay, here we are. All my beeswax pearls have melted. I'm going to carefully take this off the heat. Actually, not that hot. And now we're going to add the coconut oil. And this is fractionated. Oh, and this is cold, so I might, you can see it kind of curdle there. Oh, it's solidifying a little bit. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put that back on the burner just so it'll combine nicely. And I'll just stir that. Okay. Turn the heat back on this to get it simmering, and then once this has combined totally, I will take it off the heat source and add my essential oils, and then we're almost done. So, stir it clockwise here. Okay, so I've added my fractionated coconut oil to the beeswax pearls, and I've stirred it in the hot water bath to combine it nicely. And now I will take it out of there and just let it cool ever so slightly and add my essential oils. I'm going to add 160 total drops. I've chosen to do 130 of the holiday season and 30 of the sweet orange, just to add a little more orange to the synergy. It's just it's pretty cinnamony, which is wonderful, but sometimes I feel like cinnamon can be a little overpowering in the long run, and oranges to me are just one of the quintessential winter and Yule season fruits. Here we go. Okay, and now I'm going to add my orange sweet essential oil to the melted wax and oil. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Whoa, they just poured out of there. Wow, that was crazy. I'm just gonna stir it one more time and add it to my pan here. So just start in the center and go. Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Let's be here. 8, 9, 10, and barely enough to make 11. Let me scrape that out, and then I'm gonna let it cool, and yeah. Alright y'all, I am so excited about these wax melts. They turned out beyond amazing. Once they completely cooled down, I flipped the mold over and just gently pushed down on it, and they came right out. Check out how cute they look in this little owl wax melter fragrance warmer that I found at the store. I just love them, and I think my girlfriends will as well. And here's again what you need. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of beeswax pearls, 6 tablespoons / 2 ounces / 90 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil, and 160 drops of essential oils. I used 130 of holiday season and 30 of sweet orange. This blend just smells divine. It's just this nice orange tea spice mix that it's just lovely. So give it a try. I think this will be a craft that I'll do throughout the year, just with different seasonal essential oil blends. I will share those new blends that I come up with on my blog. I also share a lot more actually, on my Instagram account. My handle is @awitchyjourney. Thanks again for watching this video and following along. I hope you enjoy making these wax melts, and then even more so using them. I hope you'll tune in again.